As India's Kailash Satyarthi and Pakistan's Malala Yousafzai will be awarded the Nobel Peace Prize later today. Times now gets you a detailed coverage as the two recipients gear up for the ceremony.
Kailash Satyarthi and Malala Yousafzai, champions of child rights, sharing stage in Oslo.
This is very important for millions and millions of our children who are denied their childhood, who are denied their freedom, who are denied their education and health. There are children who are sold and bought like animals. The children who are born and live in the situations of conflict and insurgencies and terror.
Times Now also spoke with the youngest recipient of the Nobel Peace Prize in her quest to spread awareness on women's education rights.
Malala, I want to ask you, it was terror which changed your life forever, but that terror even now continues to ravage your country, also the countries in the neighborhood. What do you want from your government? When will this stop?
Well, we usually ask the government to stand up, and we still ask them that there should be peace and we should stand up, and we should focus more on education and end poverty, which the governments usually don't focus on. But I'm hopeful that this will end when we all take a step and when we all say, not only just the politicians, but we all will take part in this fight and make sure that children have all the facilities, they do not suffer from child labor or child trafficking, and they get quality education. Thank you.
She wants her government, the government of Pakistan, to crack down on that terror network for the simple fact that that's the only way that Pakistan can progress in the future. And she reiterated her demand to the government of Pakistan that they should focus instead on ensuring that every last child in her country is educated.
As they will receive the top honor later today in a private ceremony, followed by a torchlight parade, their families are visibly excited.
And I guess it is surreal for all of us, whosoever are a part. You read about these things in history, and if you are a part of history being made, it is surreal and it appears that you are in a dream.
आगे भविष्य, अगर हम भविष्य की बात करते हैं तो बच्चों को उनका अधिकार देना चाहिए ही, और इतना बड़ा हथियार के रूप में विश्व शांति पुरस्कार अगर मिला है, भारत को मिला है, पहली बार मिला है, इसका आपको समझना पड़ेगा.
I think it was a great moment for both countries, because this prize is given to Malala and Kailash Satyarthi, and it is not for two individuals, it's for the cause they are standing for. And the cause is the children's rights, children's emancipations, and children's education.
Some of the most famous figures in the world have walked down these halls of the Nobel Peace Institute. And finally, it's going to be the turn of Kailash Satyarthi and Malala Yousafzai to do the same, receiving the award. At the end of the day, the question will remain, will this Peace Prize change anything as far as the relations between the two countries are concerned? With video journalist Braj in Oslo, Padmaja Joshi for Times Now.